Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy. I'm Kshitij and I love making art, craft, DIYs, home decor and lifestyle videos, and in today's video I'm sharing 3 very beautiful, fun, vibrant and colorful summer DIYs which I'm sure you will love. So let's begin. For the first DIY, I wanted to make a very beautiful and fun flamingo wreath, and for that I have taken a wreath form, and I also took some yarn in blue color and green color. These yarns are in very vibrant colors, so the blue color will be depicting the sky and the green color will be for the ground. And very nicely and tightly I started wrapping the blue yarn so as to cover the entire half portion of the wreath form, so that half of the wreath is the sky and the bottom half is for the ground. Once the wreath form was covered in yarn, you can see how vibrant it is looking as of now. I started covering the bottom portion with green moss. If you want, you can directly cover the bottom portion of the wreath with moss, but I like the dense effect that it gives with the green yarn wrapped entirely over the wreath and then covered with green moss. So the effect is more denser compared to just putting green moss. Next, to make the flamingo, I had this fun flamingo toy with me. This is actually the top portion of a bubble wand. I covered the bottom portion of the flamingo with some air dry clay so that it holds the bamboo skewers better, and I inserted 2 bamboo skewers to make the legs of the flamingo, and then I colored the legs with black acrylic paint, and then I placed the flamingo at the desired place where I wanted to on the wreath. Next, I decorated the bottom portion of the wreath form with some pink flowers, the big and the small flowers. You can decorate it with whatever you want and whichever color you like. I basically thought that pink would go really well, the blues and pinks would go really well. And for the banner, I took blue cardstock paper and cut it in the letters for the word summer. And for the background, I took glitter foam sheet. I glued both the pieces together to give it some sort of dimension, and then I glued the pieces together and put it on a thread and put it as a garland on top of the wreath. I put some stickers to spell the word summer, and once the garland was ready, I put it on top of the wreath form just near the flamingo. This DIY was so easy and so fun to make. I am really liking the pinks and blues and the vibrant summer vibes. Friends, this video is part of the summer DIY challenge hosted by Heidi Sonbul. Heidi is extremely talented. Her channel is full of creative content and you should definitely check out her channel. I'm sure you will love her content. And also don't forget to watch the playlist for the summer videos. I've mentioned both Heidi's channel and the playlist down in the description box. You wouldn't want to miss any of those. So moving on to the next DIY, I wanted to make a fresh lemonade cart and for that I took a glass bottle and painted it with the yellow chalk paint. You can see I am just dabbing it the yellow chalk paint in a dab motion, and I let it dry in between coats. I did a total of 3 coats for the very flawless finish for the chalk paint. And once it was dry completely, I let it rest for around 2 to 3 hours. Then I started finger painting with white acrylic paint, and I made some flowers with with the help of my index finger. Similarly, I created 3 bottles in total, and then I had this small yellow color, this was kind of macaron shaped box which I really loved. So I shaped it in the form of a lemon, and then I took some beads and painted them in yellow and white. And I also took a wooden crate and glued the beads to the crate like so. I also glued the small lemon that I made out of the macaron box, and then I dressed up everything into the crate. This is how my fresh lemonade cart is looking, so vibrant and so refreshing. I really love the whites and the yellows, and this is a cool addition to my summer decor, and I'm absolutely loving it. For the final DIY, this was a really simple one. I took a photo frame, and on the photo frame I wrote the words summer vibes, and also I glued a fun sunglass, that is the front portion of the sunglass, and I cut a watermelon juice illustration. I had hand sketched it and I cut it. I glued the sunglass and the watermelon juice to the photo frame, and this is how it is looking, absolutely tropical and very vibrant. I'm absolutely loving this very simple and beautiful photo frame. So this was all for today. Let me know in the comment section below which one out of the 3 was your favorite DIY, and I'll see you all very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye bye and take care.